Yeah, from that it just has to be a straight line, not down the hill. Sure. Yeah, that way. That way's better.
Now I feel like I'm gonna throw it like 5 feet. Do this. That's probably 24 feet.
Let's count it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 21. What did you count?
Well, that's not real feet.
Should I get a measure?
Like the actual feet?
Yeah.
Or like a foot?
No, like with a measure. Yeah, measuring tape. A foot.
That's 24 feet. I don't have tape on.
You know, it has to be exactly 24 feet, right? I
That's
got
bullshit.
you.